Hello friends, myself Rasika Pagaria from Araham College. In last lecture, we were studying about the types of feminism. In that we studied few and we started with the ecofeminism. Ecofeminism क्या है? It establishes link between ecology and feminist. It brings the truth that dominates and exploit of women's strength from exploitation of the environment. Equality feminism. It focuses on gaining equality between men and women in all domains. Then conservative feminism. Conservative feminism criticizes the feminists which adopt a male of charism and public achievement as female goal, thereby denying women's need for intimacy, family, and child. Moderate feminism. It sees the importance of change within institutions. One argues for small steps towards gender equality. Then material feminism, late 19th century movement to liberate women by improving their material conditions, removing domestic responsibility such as cooking and housework, and allowing women to earn their own wages. Then moving towards the essentialist feminism, focuses on true biological differences between men and women, argues that women are essentially different from men but equal in value. Then third wave feminism, it is popular among younger women. Third wave feminism is very individualistic, and though it does not reject political activism, it is focused more on personal empowerment as a starting place for social change. Then reformist feminism, they believe that gender inequality can be eliminated through legislative or electoral reform without the need to after the capitalist system, that is national organization of women. Then we studied the liberal feminism. Liberal feminism conceives of freedom as personal autonomy, living of life of one's own choosing, and political autonomy being co-authored of the condition under which one lives. Liberal feminists hold that the exercise of personal autonomy depend on certain enabling conditions that are insufficiently present in women's life. They hold also that women's need and interest are insufficiently reflected in the basic conditions under which they live, and that those conditions lack legitimacy because women are inadequately represented in the process of democratic self-determination. As per the protection and promotion of citizen autonomy is appropriate role of the state on the liberal view, liberal feminists hold that the state can and should be the women's movement ally in promoting women's autonomy. There is disagreement among women liberal feminists, however, about the role of personal autonomy in the good life, the appropriate role of the state, and how liberal feminist is to be adjusted. Meaning, liberal feminism is a particular approach to achieve equality between men and women that emphasizes the power of an individual person to alter discriminative practices against women. Then, in 1920, the US Congress rectified the 19th Amendment to the Constitution, which gave women the right to vote. Then we were studying about the personal autonomy. In that, procedural accounts of personal autonomy. Liberal feminists hold that women should enjoy personal autonomy. Some often procedural account of personal autonomy. This account suggests that to say women should enjoy personal autonomy means they are entitled to a broad range of autonomy enabling conditions. Procedural account avoiding judging directly the substance of women's choice or the arrangement that ensures the following list of enabling conditions is representative. Then being free of violence and the threat of violence. Violence and the threat of violence violates women's dignity. They make women do what others want or reduce women's sphere of activity to being harmed. The feminist literature on violence against women document the particular role that violence and the threat of violence play in unfair, disempowering, and limiting women. And then moving towards the next point, being free of the limits set by patriarchal, paternalist, and moralist law. See, patriarchal, paternalist laws restrict women's opinion on the ground that such limits are in women's interest. See, patriarchal paternalist law, ये ऐसा लॉ है that restrict women's opinion on the ground that such limits are in women's interest. Think for example of law that limit women's empowerment options on the ground that taking certain job is not in wrong's interest. Think for example of law, मतलब आप ऐसा एग्जाम्पल लो of law that limits women empowerment options on the ground that taking certain job is not in women's interest. Smith 2004. Patriarchal moralist law restricts women's option on the ground that certain options should not be available to women because morality forbids women choosing them. See, patriarchal moralistic law. What happened? Patriarchal moralistic laws restrict women's opinion. वो वुमेन के ओपिनियन भी रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर देते हैं. कौन से ग्राउंड पे? बाबा, दिस शुड नॉट बी अवेलेबल फॉर वुमेन बिकॉज morally forbid women's choosing them. Think for example of law that prohibits or restricts prostitution or abortion. See, think for example ऐसा law जो restricts prostitution or abortion, or law that favors certain kinds of sexual expression or family forms. See, ऐसे law सोचो जहाँ पे prostitution पे restrictions है, abortions पे restrictions है and all. Together, patriarchal, paternalist and moralist law stress women into socially preferred ways of life. See, together क्या है? Together, patriarchalist and paternalist and moralist law क्या है? Stress women into socially preferred way of life. There are unfair restrictions on women's choices on the liberal feministic view. See, there are unfair restrictions. बहुत से unfair restrictions women पे ही है on the liberal feminist view because women's choice should be guided by their own sense of their self-interest and by their own value. See, because क्या है? Women's choice क्या है? Should be guided by their own senses of their self-interest and of by their own values. Having access to options. On the liberal feminist view, women are entitled to access to options. See, on the liberal feminist view क्या है? यहाँ पे बोला जा रहा है women are entitled to access to options. Women's access to options is frequently and unfairly restricted due to economic deprivation, in particular due to feminization of poverty. See, women's access to options is frequently and unfairly it is restricted just because economic deprivation in particular due to the feminization of poverty. Other source of unfair reduced option for women are stereotyping and sex discrimination in education and employment. See, other sources of unfair reduces options for women. वुमेन के लिए ऑप्शंस भी कम होते हैं. एंड स्टीरियोटाइपिंग एंड सेक्स डिस्क्रिमिनेशन इन एजुकेशन एंड एम्प्लॉयमेंट. सी, एजुकेशन के लिए भी ऐसे ही करते थे. पहले लड़कियों को पढ़ाई करने देते थे क्या? अपन नहीं. पहले लड़कियों को अपन पढ़ने ही नहीं देते थे. अपन बोलेंगे अरे लड़कियाँ पढ़ के क्या करेगी, उससे बेटर मैं लड़के को पढ़ाता हूँ, कुछ आगे जाके मेरा फ़ायदा तो होगा. बोल के अपन क्या करते हैं? लड़के को पढ़ा देते. जॉब की भी जब बात आती है तो अपन क्या करते हैं? सिर्फ पहले लड़कों का जॉब का देखते थे, लड़कियां जॉब नहीं कर सकती बोलते थे. राइट. Such stereotyping and discrimination affect some radical ethnic and cultural group in particular pernicious way. See, ये जो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन है, जो स्टीरियोटाइपिंग है, ये क्या करता है, ये कहीं ना कहीं तो अपने सोसाइटी में, अपने कल्चर में, अपने इथिक्स में, रेडिकल्स में कहीं ना कहीं तो अफेक्ट करता ही है. Liberal feminists also point to the way cultural homogeneity. See, ये क्या करता है, ये अपने कल्चरल होमोजेनिटी इसको भी हार्म करता है. Unfair limit options, for example, when cultural assign identifies and social roles according to sex. See, when cultural assigns identities and social roles according to sex. Then fairness in personal relationship. Some liberal feminists hold that the social arrangements of political life should not only be freely chosen. See, some liberal feminists hold that, वो क्या बोलते हैं, सोशल अरेंजमेंट ऑफ पर्सनल लाइफ शुड नॉट बी फ्रीली चूजन. सी, किसी का पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में आपको कुछ अरेंजमेंट करना है, सोशल अरेंजमेंट करना है, वो आप खुद ही नहीं करोगे, बट इट शुड बी बेस्ड ऑन कैरेक्टराइजेशन बाय फेयरनेस और जस्टिस. तो किसी की पर्सनल लाइफ में इंटरफियर कर रहे हो सोशल मैटर के थ्रू एंड ऑल, जैसे कि देखो लड़कियों की शादी, पहले लड़कियों की जब शादी करते थे तो लड़कियों को वो लड़का भी नहीं बताते थे, मतलब वो देख ही नहीं पाती थी लड़के को. शादी होने के बाद वो लड़के को देखती थी, तब तक उसको पता ही नहीं रहता था उसके दूल्हा कैसा है क्या है. आज ऐसा ट्रेंड है क्या? फिर थोड़ा ट्रेंड चेंज हुआ जहाँ पे लड़का लड़की घर वालों के सामने एक दूसरे को देख पाते थे, राइट. फिर अब क्या है ट्रेंड, अब लड़का लड़की दोनों जाके होटल में मिल लेते हैं. अभी उन दोनों को थोड़ी देर के लिए अकेला भी छोड़ते हैं, और जब अकेला नहीं छोड़ा तो शादी होना मुश्किल है लड़का लड़की की. अब देखो कितना ट्रेंड चेंज हुआ है, और फाइनल डिसीजन लड़का लड़की का ही रहता है ना कि दे वांट टू कम टुगेदर और नॉट, राइट. सो ये जो भी होना है इट शुड बी डन बाय अ फेयरनेस और जस्टिस. जीन हैम्पटन ड्रॉज ऑन द, ये जो जीन हैम्पटन ड्रॉज ऑन द contractual tradition in moral and political philosopher to describe one way in which heterosexual intimate relationship often fail to be fair or just. अभी जीन हैम्पटन ड्रॉज ऑन द कॉन्ट्रेक्चुअलिस्ट ट्रेडिशन इन मोर और पॉलिटिकल फिलोसॉफी, ताकि वो डिस्क्राइब कर सके एक तरीका इन विच हेट्रोसेक्सुअल इंटीमेट रिलेशनशिप ऑफन फेल टू बी फेयर और जस्ट, पर्सनल ऑटोनॉमी एंड ह्यूमन फ्लरिशिंग. मार्था नुसपैन processes an account of the good life that has at its heart a profounded liberal idea, the idea of the citizen as a free and dignified human being, a marker of choice. See, Martha Nussbaum process, an account of good life. यहाँ पे क्या है, ये क्या है, an account of good life that has at its heart a profound liberal idea, the idea of citizen as a free and dignified human being, a maker of choice. Echoing procedural account of personal autonomy, Luspan explains. See, अभी पर्सनल प्रोसीजरल अकाउंट ऑफ पर्सनल ऑटोनॉमी देखते हुए लूजबैन क्या एक्सप्लेन कर सकता है. इफ़ यू केयर अबाउट पीपल्स पावर टू चूज अ कंसेप्शन ऑफ द गुड्स, देन वन मस्ट केयर अबाउट द रेस्ट ऑफ द फॉर्म ऑफ लाइफ दैट सपोर्ट्स दोस पावर. सी, अब क्या बोल रहे हैं यहाँ पे, लूजबैन एक्सप्लेन्स, इफ वन केयर्स अबाउट पीपल्स पावर, अगर आपको लोगों की पावर के बारे में ध्यान रखना है, हाँ, उसके बाद आपको अच्छा सोचना है, तो आपको ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा बाकी सब चीज़ों का भी, अदर फॉर्म्स ऑफ लाइफ, इसके भी ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा, एंड सपोर्ट दोस पावर, और वो पावर को भी आपको सपोर्ट करना पड़ेगा. But for Luspan, personal autonomy is merely one of the major human functionings which define a good human life. See, but for Luspan, personal autonomy is merely, see, लेकिन लूजबैम पर्सनल ऑटोनॉमी क्या है, इज मेयरली वन ऑफ द मेजर ह्यूमन फंक्शनिंग विच डिफाइंस अ गुड ह्यूमन लाइफ। ये मेजर ऑफ ह्यूमन फंक्शनिंग से जो एक अच्छी लाइफ के बारे में डिफाइन करती है। दिस फंक्शनिंग इंक्लूड्स अमंग अदर थिंग्स bodily healthy and integrated affiliation and political participation. See, these functions include among other things bodily healthy and integrity affiliation and political participation. To be sure, personal autonomy or in newspaper world practical reasoning is a good than that suffers all the other functions. See, to be sure, पर्सनल ऑटोनॉमी और इन न्यूज़पेपर फॉर प्रैक्टिकल रीजनिंग क्या है, इट इज़ गुड दैट सफरेज ऑल द अदर फंक्शन बट पर्सनल ऑटोनॉमी इज नॉट prioritized. A good life is one in which one is able to enjoy all of the major human functioning that is to flourish. Say, a good life कब है, जब अपन सब कुछ अच्छे से enjoy कर सकते हैं. Then personal autonomy and the state. There is a substantial agreement among liberal feminists that the gender system or the patriarchal nature of inherited traditions and institutions plays an important role in perpetuating morally objectionable deficits in personal autonomy in women's life and that the state can and should take action to remedy them. See, अब क्या है, there is substantial agreement among liberal feminists. अब यहाँ पे क्या है, यहाँ पे एक सब्सटेंशियल एग्रीमेंट है अमंग लिबरल फेमिनिस्ट दैट द जेंडर सिस्टम और द पच्चरियल नेचर ऑफ इनहेरिटेड ट्रेडिशन एंड इंस्टीट्यूशन all play an important role in perpetuating moral objectional deficit in personal autonomy in women's life and that the state can and should take action to remedy them. और फिर यहाँ पे state या can या फिर can state can and the state should take action for to remedy them. There is also substantial agreement among liberal feminists concerning what the state should do. See, there is also an substantial agreement among liberal feminists concerning what the state should do. There is a disagreement about some hard cases, however, that pits liberal value against one another. See, अब यहाँ पे कुछ बातों में डिसएग्रीमेंट भी है अबाउट सम हार्ड केसेस और जिन पे अपने को काम करना आज भी ज़रूरी है. देन पॉलिटिकल ऑटोनॉमी. सम लिबरल फेमिनिस्ट emphasize the importance of political autonomy that is being co-authored of the conditions under which one lives. See, some liberal feminists क्या है, they emphasize the importance of political autonomy that is being co-authored of the condition which one lives. Some use contractual political theory to argue that the state should ensure that the basic structure of society satisfy principle of justice that women as well as men should endorse. Some use contractualist political theory to argue करते के बाद स्टेट क्या करना चाहिए, स्टेट should ensure that the basic structure of society satisfy the principle of justice that women as well as men could endorse. Others argue that the democratic legitimacy of the basic condition under which citizens live depend on the inclusion of women in the process of public liberation and elaborate politics. See, others argue that the democratic legitimacy of the basic condition जहाँ पे सिटीजन रहते हैं इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द वुमेन ऑल्सो, कैसे काम कर रहे हैं, कैसा कुछ चल रहा है, एवरीथिंग उधर पे डिपेंड रहता है. देन डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव जस्टिस. सम लिबरल फेमिनिस्ट इंस्पायर्ड बाय John Rawls' contradictory liberal theory of justice argue that the state should ensure that the basic structure of society distributes the benefit and burden of social cooperation fairly. See, some liberal feminist कोई liberal feminist है which whom they were inspired by John Rawls contradiction liberal theory of justice. वो आर्ग्यू क्या करते हैं that the state should ensure that the basic structure of society distributes the benefit and burden of social corporation fairly, that is in a manner that women as well as men दोनों अच्छे से काम कर सके. They argue that the basic structure currently distribute benefits and burdens unfairly, in part due to the gender system or the patriarchal nature of inherited traditions and institutions. Then moving towards the next point, that is the feminism in India. No, sorry, public deliberation and electoral politics. Some liberal feminists who emphasize the importance of political autonomy that women be co-author of the conditions under which they live focus in particularly on participation in the process of democratic self-determination. See, some liberal feminists जो emphasize करते हैं importance of political autonomy that women be co-author, या कि भी women लोग co-author कर सकते condition in which they live in a focus in particular or participation in the process of democratic self-determination. This process includes both political deliberation in the way arena of public political discourse and electoral politics. See, this process क्या है? Include both. अब इस process में क्या आता है? It includes both political deliberation, कुछ areas में political deliberation as well as public political discourse and electoral politics. Liberal feminists hold that the condition under which women live lack legitimacy. See, liberal feminist के व्यू क्या है? और जिस कंडीशन में वुमेन काम करती है वहाँ पे वो अच्छी कंडीशन नहीं रहती, मतलब वहाँ पे उनको हर चीज़ की आज़ादी नहीं रहती है, वो अपने मन के मुताबिक कुछ काम नहीं कर सकते, बिकॉज वुमेन आर इनएडुकेटली रिप्रेजेंटेटेड इन दिस प्रोसेसेस. क्योंकि वुमेन्स का क्या है, इनएडुकेटली रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है, मतलब प्रॉपर वुमेन के रिप्रेजेंटेशंस वहाँ पे नहीं रहते. अगर वुमेन वहाँ पे प्रॉपरली रिप्रेजेंटेटेड रहे, इन एडुकेट मैनर में रिप्रेजेंटेटेड रहे, तो हर कोई प्रोसेस वो ध्यान से अच्छे से कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पे दे होल्ड दैट दिस पॉलिटिकल ऑटोनॉमी डिफ्लेट्स इज इन लार्ज पार्ट ड्यू टू द जेंडर सिस्टम. सी, दे होल्ड दैट दिस पॉलिटिकल ऑटोनॉमी, अब ये क्या बोल रहे हैं, ये जो पॉलिटिकल ऑटोनॉमी है इट डिफ्लेट्स इज इन लार्ज पार्ट, उसके बहुत ज़्यादा लार्ज पार्ट में उसके ड्रॉबैक्स है ड्यू टू द जेंडर सिस्टम, जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस जेंडर सिस्टम. और द patriarchal nature of inherited transactions and institutions, and that the women's movement should work to identify and remedy it. See, और ये जो patriarchal nature of the inherited traditions and institutions, and that the women movement, और फिर ये जो women movement, women का movement है, they should work to identify and remedy it. अब ये वुमेन मूवमेंट क्या करना चाहिए, ये अच्छे से काम करना चाहिए. इट शुड आइडेंटिफाई एंड इट शुड कम अप विथ सम और द अदर सॉल्यूशन. तभी क्या होगा, तभी सब कुछ अच्छे से आगे बढ़ पाएगा. अदरवाइज क्या होगा, एवरीथिंग विल मैस अप, मतलब वुमेन का प्रोग्रेस अच्छे से नहीं होगा, कहीं ना कहीं तो उनको ऑब्स्टिकल आएंगे और हालत बुरी होने में टाइम नहीं लगता. अपन ने देखा ही है ये सब कुछ. We'll wind up our lecture here. In next lecture, we'll be studying about the feminism in India. Meanwhile, you can read the topic well. If you have any doubt, you can mail me on my mail ID. My mail ID is rasika.pagaria@arahamedu.in. Thank you.